The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition has surfaced again on a popular benchmark test, this time showcasing the Exynos 2400 chip. This test confirms that Samsung's Fan Edition phone will indeed use its own Exynos chip in its home country. Previously, Samsung chose to equip the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition with older Exynos and Snapdragon chips from the Galaxy S22 series, instead of the newer chips from the Galaxy S23 series. This decision raised concerns among fans about whether the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition would also feature outdated hardware. However, a benchmark test from a few months ago confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be powered by the same Exynos 2400 chip found in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. This makes sense, as Samsung did not release a flagship Exynos chip in 2023, making the Exynos 2400 the natural choice for the S24 Fan Edition. And now its launch timeline has also surfaced. According to a report from Exynos, Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition in October 2024, followed by the Galaxy S16 in December 2024. This timeline is consistent with the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition's release, which was launched on October 4 last year. A major leak has unveiled nearly all the details about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. The phone is expected to feature the latest Exynos processor, a brighter display, and Galaxy artificial intelligence capabilities. Android Headlines has released press renders of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, revealing its colors and specifications ahead of its anticipated launch in the fourth quarter of this year. The phone will be available in 5 colors: blue, graphite, mint, silver, and yellow. Its design closely resembles the Galaxy S24 with flat front and rear glass panels, flat aluminum sides, and rounded corners. However, the S24 Fan Edition features slightly thicker bezels, particularly around the chin. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition features a 6.7-inch OLED display with full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 1,900 nits. The screen is shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and with its IP67 rating, the phone is resistant to dust and water. Camera-wise, it includes a 10-megapixel front camera, a 50-megapixel main rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is expected to be powered by the Exynos 2400 processor in most regions, while the US version might feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. Although the exact RAM and storage details haven't been confirmed, it's likely to offer 12 gigs of RAM with either 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage. The phone is equipped with a 4,565 mAh battery, which Samsung claims can provide up to 78 hours of audio playback and 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is expected to feature stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint sensor, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. It will likely support 25-watt fast-wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition might be priced at $649 in the US. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.